screen here. All right, Matt, so just want to show you some of the updates I've made here just so that you're aware. Again, what I'd like, so we have the daily inventory history tab here, and there's just a pasted in report. As you can see, if we head down, this thing is pretty extensive. This is just for the month of July, and we have almost 10,000 rows of data. Again, just to kind of get a hold on things, these are snapshot dates and the same SKU within different fulfillment centers. So if we can get something to basically sum the quantity for the same SKU on the same snapshot date, this one is the 31st of July, and that kind of macro would be very helpful. I created a table for start dates and end dates over here, basically corresponding to the table where I'm putting in the sales reports, so that when I import a sales report, I can then go through this drop down and modify a start date. I did modify this end date to be a VLOOKUP, and I also made this a table. Now the table slows this spreadsheet down a little bit, so I'll leave it to your discretion whether we should keep the table or not. I like having it because it allows you to organize and reorganize data a little bit more effectively, and I think that has merit. But I will definitely take your final call. So this is the table where I'm putting in the new business reports, and as you can see, I've got 4 business reports for each month, for the months of January, February, as well as for March and July. And if I wanted to put in a new business report, I would just add a new date, copy and paste the new report in. So that's the business report there. Then we have this master list of SKUs and ASINs, and this is pulling from the inventory update tab, which I manually update, and I will input information about an item when I create a detail page for it. So this is where the data here is being pulled from. And so these are all the SKUs that I would like to track for. And basically I have this doing a an if and a VLOOKUP. And it's just always going to match the inventory update page. So I know we're going to get off to a more extensive project, ultimately resulting in a lot more rich data coming in. But just for the sake of right now, the goal would be to be able to import this report on a new tab or on the same tab, run a macro, and have it condense this information and these quantities onto just one snapshot date. That way it's not taking up so much space, and it's more reasonable to be able to pull in the data without running the spreadsheet dry for the amount of computer RAM and everything else that it needs to take up. If you have any questions about this step, feel free to text me or call me and ask, and I will be quick to answer. Looking forward to continuing this project with you, Matt, and let's chat soon. Bye.